If you're left-handed and want crochet to finally make sense, I'd love to help you. Hi, it's Sandy from Southpaw Crochet Studio. I struggled to learn how to crochet until a left-handed cousin showed me how. That was over 50 years ago, and I've been crocheting ever since. In this video, I'm going to show you the half double crochet stitch. If you're ready to learn, grab a hook and some yarn and let's get started. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, a medium weight yarn, and US crochet terms. I'm going to be starting with a chain of 9. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. If you're not sure how to make a slip knot or chain, I've linked those videos in the description. Half double crochets usually start in the second chain from the hook. There's your first chain. This is a second. The loop on the hook does not count as a chain. Before I insert my hook into the second chain, I'm going to yarn over by wrapping the yarn from back to front over the hook. Insert your hook into the top loop of the second chain from the hook. Bring the yarn over the front of the hook, grab onto the yarn, and rotating the hook so it's pointing towards you, pull the hook through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. You've now made 1 half double crochet stitch. Let's do a few more. Yarn over, insert your hook into the top loop of the next chain, yarn over, and pull your hook through the loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the top loop of the next chain, yarn over, pull your hook through the loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into the top loop of the next chain, yarn over, and pull your hook through the loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. I'll just finish off the row. We started with 9 chains. Because we skipped the first chain and started in the second chain from the hook, we have made 8 half double crochet stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And just like the chain, single crochet, and double crochet stitches, the top of these stitches look like V's. To work your second row of half double crochet, some patterns will tell you to chain 2 and turn, others will tell you to chain 1 and turn. I'm going to chain 1. You can turn your work away from you so that the working yarn is in front like this, or you can turn it towards you so that the working yarn is in the back. I prefer turning so that the working yarn is in the front. Whichever way you decide to do it, just make sure you do it the same way every time. Because we only made a chain of 1 before we turned, the turning chain will not count as a stitch. To work our second row of half double crochets, we will be inserting our hook under both loops of the first stitch from the previous row. That's this one. You may have to angle your work towards you slightly to be able to see both loops. Yarn over and insert your hook under both loops of the first stitch, yarn over and pull the hook through the loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook under both loops of the next stitch, yarn over and pull through the loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert your hook under both loops of the stitch, yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull the hook through all 3 loops on your hook. Once again, yarn over, insert your hook under both loops of the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. I'll just finish off the last 4 stitches. When you get to the last stitch of the row, Be sure to insert your hook under both loops of that last stitch of the previous row. You have now learned the half double crochet stitch. For a more detailed discussion of turning chains, check out my video, Does the Turning Chain Count as a Stitch? I've put the link in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, a thumbs up lets YouTube know it's useful to other left-handed crocheters. And if you'd like more clear left-handed tutorials, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss a new video.